In this lecture, we'll be starting with the MVC pattern. So MVC pattern is basically user interface design pattern, and it focuses on separation of concerns across multiple application layers. Primarily, we have three layers, you can say: controller, model, and view. As you can see, we have view logic mentioned in view, and business logic resides in model, and application logic is inside the controller. So when we say MVC view, it means that its responsibility is to provide awesome user experience, and it contains no or little business logic. We should avoid communicating directly with the controller. Like a slim dot you can see over here, that is, the view is communicating with the controller. There are cases where you need to send the request to the controller in order to get the data back to the view based on those requests, and for those instances you can definitely go ahead and make a call to the controller. The controller is something which controls the application flow. It manages interaction between model and view, so kind of the business logic resides in model, and controller queries the model, gets the data, and passes it to the view whenever needs some new data based on certain searches or some requests. It will just send the request to the controller then passes it on to the model returns back the data, and it serves the controller, and from controller it goes to the view, and that's how the whole flow works. The model contains everything like data structure, all business logic, validation rules, systems integration, but it does not know anything about the controller or the view. In some of the cases, people just compare MVC models as data structures, but that's not the case. One should avoid putting business logic inside controllers. It should be mentioned in MVC model. Now, this is MVC, that's Model View Controller design pattern. How does ASP.NET Core MVC makes use of this? ASP.NET Core MVC utilizes this framework, and like we said when we were creating our sample project, there were three templates to choose from: empty, REST, and ASP.NET website. So built-in support is available in .NET Core MVC, and it utilizes this framework to develop the web applications.